Today I bring you the Snowball Collection from Aurora Queen. It comes in beautiful packaging. This is an 8-piece set. Comes, of course, with your little swatching rocks and a lovely acrylic to showcase them on for your clients. Very nice. So I am excited to see what this collection brings us. So let's just get straight into swatching. I've got to say, I always swore I wouldn't, but I have become completely infatuated with Aurora Queen's glitter polishes. It's like I feel the need to collect them all, which I really shouldn't be doing. So what we have here is numbers 129 through 136. So as always that I've been doing with these Aurora Queen glitters is one full coat and a second coat just for the tip, just so I can see the layered look and see the hint look if you're doing it over or under something. Look at this. It's so adorable. It is just filled with little silver stars. This is so cute. Oh. And this set from Aurora Queen, as so many others, can be picked up at Sweetie Nail Supply. If you want a discount, use my code LYN for 10% off, and you'll find the link for this set down in the description box. Make sure that if you want to do some shopping, you get that discount code price. Saves you, and it's going to help out with my channel so I can keep getting these amazing polishes to swatch and use. This one here is the kind of gel where less is more, because filling this up with a second coat of glitter, it's kind of ruining the effect. Makes it too busy, which is kind of exactly the point of doing them like this, because it shows me before I start messing around with the nail using it that there's a good chance I'm not going to want a second coat because it's going to look too much. Too much. Oh gosh. This one is right up my alley. All those pinks and purples. But it does that effect okay with this one. Because you know it's hard to imagine too much glitter not being a good thing. Oh, this one's different. Oh my God. What am I even looking at? Oh, wow. Wow, this just screams Mardi Gras to me. And there they are. I don't know how they do it, guys, but it just seems with Aurora Queen that each new glitter is more beautiful than the last. I just can't with these guys. I'm never sure where I'm going to use them or how, but it's like they're shiny. They're so glittery and shiny, and I just can't help it. So out of this 8-piece collection, 3 are star glitters that have a lot less packed into them. Then the other 5 are very densely packed glitters. As always, I've done the matte coat and then shiny, and then the tips have that second coat on them to build them way up. The color changes quite a bit when you have a darker background. Makes me figure I should probably look into working for Aurora Queen so I don't have to spend every one of my hard-earned dollars picking up more of their glitters. I just can't with how beautiful these are. Oh. So hopefully you enjoyed the Snowball collection from Aurora Queen. As always, guys, I really appreciate you being here to watch my videos. If you have any questions at all, just be sure to leave them in the comments. And until next time, don't forget to love your nails. Bye.